Oh my god. Oh mate. Well, today we're at Dirt Farm on the big rig. Weather's not too cracking, but see what to go on. Yeah, just do a blow to warm up. We don't want to throw you in too deep. Oh. Follow side. Oh. Feels so strange riding this. Yeah, boy. This is his first proper ride this year on downhill bike, and it feels well different. Been sessioning fucking e-bike so long. Yeah, boy. Flowy, innit?
Minute slow, yeah, I kept getting fucking missed in time.
Yeah, that's good that.
Blue as well.
Me, I can just feel it in arms and that straight away.
Yeah. I feel well because I've been smashing e-bike. I feel right weird on this at the moment. Need to wear it in. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Let's do it. Oh, I thought you were going left! If we're going to have a new one up there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Whoa! I got a bit too casual out of that and then nearly hit a tree. Oh no, not a chance. Yeah, Chris.
Oh man, rocking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Long run.
Woo.
Long pump track.
Long run.
Damn.
It's when you're first getting used to them as well. Like
Yeah.
I'm constantly on brakes. After a couple of runs, you get it.
Yeah.
It's
Nice,
the
innit?
turns and that, everything's like, it's grippy, but it looks proper fucking wet. And
Full motor.
Gripping's pretty fucking nice.
I reckon it'll be perfect today, mate. Like I said, I just want these clouds to fucking.
Yeah.
Moto, mate.
Stop pedalling so much, I'm on a downhill bike. That's so cool, that little jump there. I love it.
Bike's only tar. No riders, just your bike. Jump off.
Get off.
Tried leaning on that gate and it wasn't there, so I just like every time.
I'm getting leg burn more than no.
Oh
It's
yeah,
all
I do from
pumping.
pumping and that,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's do it.
Ready?
I'll get run over. You good, yeah?
Yeah, man. Go left, innit?
Yeah, man. Yo! Yes, I! So close! Fucking hell, legs have gone. We should have stopped with you.
I'm not on, I've nearly died trying to pedal.
That's new, that, isn't it?
I don't think I've ever seen that.
Yeah, it's new, that. Right, are you good? Let's do it. Oh, it's too windy this. Fuck it, he says. Yeah, boys. Tree. Have they changed that? Get outside. Yeah, I'm not really down. You good, Chris?
These are just them flat tables we were looking at earlier.
Yeah, that shit. Oh, we can feel wind. Feel wind. My house is feel wind. Tree! Wow, I could feel wind then. Feel wind on that one. But yet he's dead here. I did first few, got down and get that shit. Sick. Stupid thing. That stupid thing I'm talking about myself. So, just untied it out. Now into the first one at the on G-force. See how this is running. Yeah, boy. Oh, she's sticky. Yeah, Chris boy! Hiya! Like slow. What is that? What is that? Where the fuck's bump gone? Fucking hell, I'm absolutely fucked, man. That is hard to get through. Oh yeah, no lander there. Oh. Get that shit. Oh, my fucking foot's come off. Fucking hell! Headwind at top, tailwind at bottom. Nope, other way around. They're really fucking long. Shit house it. Jesus Christ, I shit myself then. Yeah, Bog. What the fuck? Oh my god. Why does that berm do that now? It always done that. Fucking hell. That trail is aptly named G4. That is a motherfucker of a burn. Man, I've been digging for like probably a month and a half solid. I was gonna have a day off yesterday, fucking hell. Went down, do a bit of clearing. I've ended up doing a worse day than I fucking usually do. On the A, B, C, baby. You're a right little girl today. Oh, having a breather. Let's get that shit. Legs have gone. Fucking hell.
Actually a chicken run.
Yeah.
For people who are scared of a blue.
Don't train you over blue.
Yeah?
And
Don't crash us.
And middle passenger drugged up.
Our lives are in your hands, Chris.
So let's go.
I'm not on an e-bike, stop pedaling! Yeah, boy. Fucking that wind got me then. Oh my god, that stopped me dead. What the fuck? Good job it did. Yeah, there's an headwind on that left, don't go that way. Yes, boys. Yeah, boys. Ow! Ow! Yeah, boy.
Manager, give me the shit.
Cat. Faster!
Oh, popping it in that ass, mate.
Oh my god, that laugh at myself. That last bit so hard to King's Speed.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna hit you! I didn't dare. I want to jump onto full moto then, but I had a tyre tap one of your foreheads.
Full Moto.
If we do that again and I shout duck, someone duck, yeah?
Yeah, just do it behind me if you want.
Duck!
I've got a fucking thick head, mate.
Duck!
It won't move me.
It's because I did that
Best
jump
video ever.
before and it put me right at the side here. If I'd have not done the jump before berm, I'd have been further enough back, I think.
Pressure, you know.
Get yourself on. Go on. You can do it. Right, I'll go first if you want.
It's alright, I'll go.
That a man, not a mouse. Oh, it's well different this bit now. Never knew them jumps were there. First time I've been down it. Leave a bit of a gap for this next bit.
Bruschetta.
Yeah.
It's a bruschetta.
Try it on 200 of travel and no weight.
200 grab.
Oh yeah, I bet you're working hard.
I'm fucked at the end of them, that's why I don't ride them that often. I'd be fucked if I rid that all day on this.
200.
I'm fucking 5. My arms actually do alright here.
Yeah, it's your fucking, because you're basically squatting all day here.
So into here and right this time.
What, for that other one?
Yeah.
But just stay right of them tight berms if you want to do that. Of at bridge,
Where the
I'm gonna go left, me.
Yeah,
So I wanna try and get into thingy.
Right.
Yeah, if you want to do the bridge when you go to right, just here. But I'm gonna jump into full moto, me.
I'll go down bridge one if you want to follow me into it.
Yeah, man.
If that's the one that you mean.
Get that shit back. Crazy how I built up there and then you get to that bit and there's no there. Feel fucking wind still. Oh my god. Whew. Oh, red dragon, dragon's back's in fucking Bike Park, Wales. Get it, boys! Oh, this one is red dragon. That's so sick. I love that trail. Absolutely love it.
Delicious.
Right, I'll see you either at bridge or if not at bottom. In fact, yeah, go to bridge and I'll follow you down blue.
Great.
See you soon. Fucking hell, my asset seat. The fuck? Hiya! Ow! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Ow! Don't do it! I'm blocking trail off. Fucking hell!
We will be shutting now, there's no more uplift.
Well, this is we're done anyway now, mate. Cheers, dude. good, these pilots though. Yeah. Well, it's proper mountain rescue, so they've probably got... It's right over where it's come off.
They'll be assessing it, they'll be able to walk around and see it.
Yeah, because there's a big train track next to it.
Imagine that being the job, like, he's got to do with fixing him, is he? He's just like, get that helicopter there, bring him back.
Getting about 80 grand a day. What's that about doing for a car till they ring him up? That's mad.